how we doing? Something happened overnight. I can't explain what happened, but somebody stole the lighthouse. It is literally gone. It is so foggy here today that we are probably about a couple hundred meters away from the lighthouse and we cannot see it. So we're bouncing. We're getting out of here, man. The views are gone. We had the views last night. It's time to go. Christine's packing up the van.
We slept okay.
We slept okay. We're gonna hit the road again and we're gonna check out the glass beach of Fort Bragg and some other cool spots along the way. So you should just come with us today and continue your journey. Peace.
We are here at Glass Beach in Fort Bragg and we've seen some amazing photos of the glass on this beach. We're not expecting it to be super bright because people, you know, take the glass home and stuff, but we just got here and we literally don't see any glass at all. Like not one little piece.
So it's famous because a whole bunch of glass has washed up and it's become real smooth. It's been smoothed by the ages of the sea.
I think there was a landfill nearby and that's where the glass came from.
Okay, so supposedly on the pictures it's a whole beach full of like glass pebbles, but we do not see an absolute thing here. Not one piece of glass. And I think the human seagulls have literally come and picked this place apart. Yeah. But we're gonna keep looking and we're gonna try and find some glass to show you. At least one piece to show you, but it's still beautiful.
Yeah, it's gorgeous here.
It's still a gorgeous spot. There just ain't no glass. Hey, Christine's going to find some sea glass. You're on a mission, Christine, you gonna find some? Okay, it is hard to see, but there actually is a fair bit of glass in here. Look at that. Glass. There's a lot of it.
Nice.
So usually when we travel, we're all about leaving no trace, and so that means not taking anything from their natural environment and just leaving places as they are. But the reason we're going to take this glass is because it is not natural to this environment. So while we leave trees and branches and leaves and all things like that, we are taking some of this glass because it is polluted and we're going to make something cool out of it. We're going to repurpose it, and so we're collecting the glass. I better keep searching. Well, that's a good piece.
One of our favorite things about van life is just being able to pull off to the side of the road when we see a gorgeous view. And we're here at Hardy Rock, just a little bit south of Leggett, which is where we're heading. We're not really sure, we're going north, but we saw this beautiful ocean view. So I'm gonna show you guys because it is gorgeous.
Christine is really struggling. We just did about 22 miles around the most windy, wavy, up and down roads, and she's struggling. But we're at Leggett. Apparently their market is world famous. I'm not really sure why, but we're going to continue. We've hit the 101, so we're off the coast right now, and we're going to leg it out of here because this place looks... I'm going to head towards the Avenue of Giants, which is an amazing section of redwood trees where you can actually drive through them. So it's pretty sick, and
world famous.
It's world famous. Not as famous as the Leggett Market, but equally, maybe on par, okay? So let's go check out the Avenue of Giants. Whoa! Where are we, Christine?
We're in the Avenue of Giants.
Huge giant redwood trees, and it is insane here. Whoa, here we go. We pulled off at the Grove, right there. There's our van. 30 miles of redwood trees, insane.
Majestic beauties, native to California's coastline. They can live up to 2,000 years, and they are huge and so beautiful.
They are really big.
They're really tall.
I want to go walking around, exploring, and check it out. Campgrounds, everything.
Hikes, groves, a lot of stuff to see.
A lot of mosquitoes on my legs
and
right now.
Mozzies, so.
Okay, gotta go.
night 2 of our road trip up to Seattle in our van. We got the twinkle lights going. It's nice and cozy in here. And Jules is outside cooking away. What are you cooking, babe?
Well, I've got a little fajita station going on at the moment.
Oh,
so
fajita station.
nice.
And where are we?
We're at the Avenue of Giants.
Yeah, we are. We are in the Avenue of Giants amongst the redwood trees. It's so beautiful here. And we're cooking some dinner and we're gonna have a nice little taco feast. Super excited because it smells delicious. Got our fajitas going on. They turned out delicious. And obviously we have the best dining room going around. It's so nice. Pretty pleased. Thanks for cooking, Jules.